city of Savannah. Established in 1733, this was the first colonial and state capital of Georgia. This city is known for its manicured parks, horse-drawn carriages, and antebellum architecture. Starting the day with beautiful weather, it was time to explore and get our steps in. Savannah is known as America's first planned city. Originally designed with 24 squares, 22 remain today. In this visit, we had basically one complete day to explore, so we wanted to share with you how and what we got to see during our quick visit. We walk around Forsyth Park and then from the Kessler Mansion built in 1919 down to the Monterey Square. We explored the Savannah College of Art and Design, aka SCAD, and loved it so much that we felt like going back to college in a second. Next, the Battlefield Memorial Park.
There was a battle here, American Revolution, and this is where it took place. It's a monument to the soldiers that died right here.
We went to the Savannah History Museum and learned more about battles and the revolution, but also to see the famous bench from Forrest Gump. Since we only had one day available to explore, we decided to go on a very touristy experience and tried our first trolley tour, making sure not to miss a thing. For dessert, we hopped off our trolley and tasted the most famous ice cream place in Savannah, Leopold's, where Tutti Frutti was originated. This is a must-try.
Yo tengo un sandwich ice cream with birthday cake savor. A ver.
Mi amorcito.
¿Cómo está? Bueno, 10 de 10.
Este está buenísimo. ¿Cómo está lo tuyo? ¿Ustedes qué vieron?
This is a what?
Es helado de ron
biscuit.
con macarrones.
Yo me pedí el Savannah Socialite. Socialité. Bueno.
Oh, I said it. It's cookie.
Fire was. This is how they would tell firefighters where the fire was. They'd ring the bell according to which square the fire was.
Back to the trolley, it was time to visit the Riverwalk. The river you see is the Savannah River and it separates the states of Georgia and South Carolina. Out here, you can find plenty of places to eat and shop. made our way back to our Airbnb, bought some groceries to cook ourselves some dinner, and rest after such a long walk. Savannah rewarded us with the most beautiful sunset that night. After visiting St. Augustine and the city of Savannah, we could say we had learned so much about history in the South. It's been beautiful and so fascinating to understand more about places like this. We've been so lucky.